Change your engine oil every 3 months. Save your engine.
Did you know one simple mistake can destroy your car engine? And most elderly male Hispanic drivers don't even realize they're doing it.
If you're not changing your engine oil on time, you could be slowly damaging your engine every day.
In this video, I'll show you why changing your engine oil every 3 months is so important and how it can save you thousands in repairs.
Let's start with the basics. Engine oil is the lifeblood of your car. It does 4 main things.
It lubricates engine parts, reduces heat, cleans dirt and sludge, and prevents wear and tear.
Sabihin sa likod sa telephone is. So why should you change engine oil every 3 months?
Because over time, oil becomes dirty and loses its effectiveness. Dust, heat, and engine friction break it down.
If you live in hot or dusty areas, like many regions, your oil gets dirty even faster. That's why experts recommend
Section 3. Signs you need an oil? Here are some warning signs.
Dark, dirty oil. Engine noise getting louder. Oil warning light on dashboard. Decreased performance.
Burning smell. If you notice any of these, don't wait. Section 4. Benefits of changing oil on time.
Changing your oil regularly gives you smoother engine performance, better fuel efficiency, longer engine life, and lower repair costs.
It's a small investment that saves you big money. Here are some quick tips. Always use the recommended oil grade. Replace the oil filter with every change.
Check oil level monthly. Don't ignore warning lights.
So remember, changing your engine oil every 3 months is one of the easiest ways to protect your car. If you found this helpful, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more car tips. And tell me in the comments, when was your last oil change?